Hey guys, nothing revealed, nothing teaser, something new coming this week. Nothing was working on something new possible to next generation Nothing Air 3. Expect to be arrive early this year. Then another rumor of the more budget friendly Nothing Phone 2A in development surface. According to the tipster Abhishek Yadav, nothing could be announced. Nothing Phone 2A launched that this week 7 December. The Nothing Phone 2A is rumored to be supported a 6.7-inch AMOLED display the same size as the Nothing Phone 2. It also have a center angle selfie camera, but it might not be an LTPO panel like Nothing Phone 2. And there is no information on the chipset. Yeah, we might be go to see an mid-range Snapdragon or MediaTek Dimensity processor. Expect to be it's have a 8 and 12 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB variant, and it's also have a dual camera setup has Nothing Phone 2. The Nothing Phone 2A is expected to be priced lower than Nothing Phone 2, which retail for a $600 in USA. So let's see what happened 7 December. So that's all about our video, and if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching, and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.